The city of Apple Valley provides many services to its residents and businesses. One of the most important is the distribution of clean water throughout the city. Whether it's for washing your clothes, helping you cool off on a hot summer's day, or simply to have fun, water is an important resource for everyone. One of the key components in the distribution of water is the meter that measures the amount used at each location. Apple Valley has initiated a 2-year replacement program aimed to modernize the distribution system, which includes the replacement of over 15,000 water meters. If your home or business has a water meter, it is going to be replaced. Expect to receive a letter from the city and Midwest Testing asking you to schedule an appointment for the replacement of your meter. This letter will arrive approximately 2 weeks before technicians will be in your area. Meter replacements will be by appointment only and take place Monday through Thursday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. But remember, this is a 2-year program, so it might be a while before you receive your letter. To make the replacement go as smoothly as possible, the city asks you to make sure an adult is home during your appointment time and to make sure the area near the water meter is cleared out of any movable objects so the technician has good access to replace the meter. There is no cost to the homeowner or business. You do not need to apply for a permit, and the entire process shouldn't take more than 45 minutes. But during this time, the water will be shut off at your location. Once the meter has been replaced, the water will be turned back on and the installation will be complete. In addition, now is a good time to check the valves near your water meter for operability and leaks. Leaking or faulty valves may mean the technician will be unable to complete the meter replacement. Repair of any leaks or valves is the responsibility of the property owner and need to be made prior to scheduling your appointment. If you have any questions, concerns, or would like to schedule water off time to make repairs prior to your appointment, please contact the city's Public Works Department. Thank you for your cooperation in Apple Valley's water meter replacement program.